Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the slow charging issue of your device Samsung A21 and A21s. So if you want to fix slow charging issue in your device Samsung A21 and A21s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging issue in your device.